You have your textbook with you? So yes, they are talking about stand-up collars, roll collars, right? And what all are they discussing about? Talking about stand collar is there, flat collar is there, roll collar is there. So today in this class we will be learning to develop Mandarin collar or Chinese collar. Okay, Mandarin collar or Chinese collar. So yes, as you can see, the first image shows how a Mandarin collar looks like, and the second image is of a Peter Pan collar. So we will learn to develop patterns for both Mandarin collar and Peter Pan collar. Peter Pan collar is an homework for you guys. Okay, I want you guys to try to develop pattern for Peter Pan collar, as the procedure is very easy and you just need to keep your first develop basic bodies front and back. Okay. First, you need to develop basic bodies front and back pattern. Then only you can draft the pattern of both Peter Pan collar. Okay. So first, make a miniature version of your basic bodies front and back. Okay. First, create a miniature version of basic bodies front and back, and then using that, based on the instructions that is given in your textbook, try to develop Peter Pan collar. 3 variations are there. Try to develop one out of it. Okay. If you are finding it difficult, then please be ready with your front and back bodies pattern when you come in the next class. Okay, Saturday. When you come on Saturday, if you find, just try to develop Peter Pan collar, as it is completely practical. I can't just illustrate and show it to you. Okay, just like how we used to do till now, it's not possible in that way. You need your patterns, back pattern and front pattern with you, so that you can develop Peter Pan collar pattern. Okay. So I want you to develop a miniature version of back and front bodies, and then try to develop Peter Pan collar pattern. Okay, it's easy. It's really easy. Now, I will be showing you how to develop pattern for Mandarin collar. You know how it looks like, right? This is how it looks like. Maybe most of your shirts or kurtis might have this Mandarin collar. Mandarin collar. This is Mandarin collar. Or should I show you more images of it? You're okay with this image, right? So I'm going to show you how to develop pattern of Mandarin collar. So first thing, what is the first step? Whatever it is, whether it is a basic skirt, whether it is a basic bodies, whether it is sleeve pattern, whether it is collar, the first step is to draw perpendicular lines. Draw two perpendicular lines. Name the point of intersection as A. And mark 1.5 inches above a point B. So difference between A and B is equal to 1.5 inches. Okay. Now, the next step, as you all know, is to extend this point B parallel to line A. Okay, just extend it. Point B. So it is the height of the collar. Okay. So if you want it 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches will be this much. Okay. So if you want it 1.5 inches, you can give it. If you want it more than that, as per you. Okay. So 1.5 inches. And next, we're going to mark point C. A to C. A to C is back neck width. Okay, back neck width. Okay, from center back till shoulder at neck point. That is back neck. So AC. Going to mark. We are going to mark point C on line A, and that is back neck width. AC is equal to back neck, which is from center back to shoulder at neck point. Okay. So AC. Next is D. We're going to find D point on line A. Okay. So D or CD. CD from point C to D. We are going to find point D. So CD is front neck. Front neck means shoulder at neck to center front. That is nape. Okay. Shoulder at neck to center front at neck. Nape point. So that is D. Okay. Front neck. Just extend the point D upwards and mark half inches above point D on this line. Okay, and you can mark it E. You can label it, name it E. So D to E is equal to half inches. Okay, D to E is equal to half inches. One minute. And E to F, now we are going to mark E to F, that is 1.5 inches. So you can use a protractor or something from point. So you are going to join these 2 points C and D. Okay. First, using a scale, join these 2 points. C and D. Join these points C and D. And using a protractor, mark 90 degree. Okay. Using a protractor, mark 90 degree on this line. From on point E, mark 90 degree. An angle 90 degree, which will be like this. Okay. So 90 degree. On, okay, 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches above point E in a 90 degree angle. Okay. So you will get a mark like this. And the next thing you need to do is that you need to extend this line C perpendicularly and you will get a point. Okay, you will get a point here. You can name it F or you can name it G. So you will be naming this point F and this point G. And now what you are going to do is that you are going to join E and F. And you are going to join B and G. Okay. Now what you are going to do is that using a French curve, you are going to shape here. Okay. Shape this corner F. You are going to shape it using a French curve. Now you have your Mandarin collar pattern. Any doubt? Any doubts regarding your basic sleeve pattern and Mandarin collar pattern? The pattern looks like something like this, right? Okay. C to D is front neck and E to F. E to F is 1.5 inches. Draw a straight line from C and you will get point G. The distance between B, G and AC is equal. D to E is half inch. So any doubts?